afternoon, everyone. I'm Patrick Johnston from LasCarinasLife.com and GoDominicanLife.com. Welcome to RNF Continental Cigars here in
Villa Gonzalez.
So again, we're here at Continental Cigars, here in Villa Gonzalez, and the really cool thing about cigars in the Dominican Republic is that they go hand in hand. A good glass of rum, a good glass of scotch, a fresh cigar, of various backgrounds, various leaf. It's an awesome experience. When you're on holiday here, you have to have a cigar. So this is Joel. Joel is the master blender for the company, and he supervises everything that happens here, from all the rolling to the product itself that goes into it, and then the whole process. They ship currently through China, Japan, Jamaica, St. Martin, all of Europe, Switzerland, and USA and beyond. So they sell and market between 500,000 to over 1 million cigars annually from here in this small little town in the Dominican Republic. So where it's located, we're about 30 minutes from Santiago, about 30 minutes from Sosua, Puerto Plata, Cabarete, and from where we are normally located in Las Carenas, we're about 3 hours from there, just to give you an idea. So Joel, why don't you show us the idea of what they do?
Le vamos a mostrar el proceso del cigarro dominicano, Continental. Vamos por aquí.
Okay, so I'm going to give you the breakdown of how the process works according to my English, converted from Spanish. But bottom line is this: we have the heart of the product. The heart of the product is the Dominican leaf. Here in Santiago,
Es un producto dominicano que este material estamos produciendo en creación de una producción de Chile.
so that's the inside of the cigar from here in the Dominican Republic. And here, the cover of the cigar, or the wrapper of the cigar, is from Ecuador.
Aquí tenemos una capa de Ecuador.
And the difference is, this literally feels like a bed sheet. It's so soft and smooth. It's the premium leaf that goes on the outside for the flavor and the texture of the cigar. So the raw product comes in boxes like this, and then follow me. The next stage is right here. Alright, so the second stage, the raw product, as you saw, comes in. The next stage is to sort the raw product into the quality of the leaf, the size of the leaf, and the flavor of the leaf. So this leaf is the inside product, which will be in the inside of the cigar. And this lady here is preparing a wrapper. And why she's preparing it in an order so that the production line can be most efficient as we move forward.
Estamos procesando la capa, el color, y esta es la tripa de una producción de China también. Acá es el clasificado de materia prima. Y tenemos varios trabajos, si pueden verlo, son muy diferentes.
Ah, sí. The color. Okay. And right now they're working on a huge order. They're producing right now 50,000 cigars that are going to go to China. 50,000 cigars, one order. And that's magic.
Es una producción en China, van con esta van a cuantas producciones, de unos 50.000 cigarros, de 70 producciones. Terminamos una de unos 150.000 cigarros. Que el aroma es muy diferente al que el tono del aroma es un poquito más sencillo, pero ya tiene filtro, está más concentrado. esta parte de las hojas es la última parte de la mata que se cogen para la línea.
So here's the fun part. Joel is just the baby. He's the master blender, but he's the baby of the family. Let me take you over to his father, his papa, because he's been rolling cigars for 70 years of his life. Come on over, check him out. This is amazing. Ever since he was a little boy, he's been rolling and sorting and manufacturing cigars.
Y esta es la leyenda por la cual fuimos inspirados a producir y hacer cigarros dominicanos. Veamos que esta es una caca Ecuador.
Wow. It's literally like a bed sheet. It's so smooth and slick, and it's mild, because the inside of the cigar is where the aroma and the flavor comes from. This makes it elegant and beautiful.
Ya este trabajo tiene unos 6 años de añejamiento después de cosecha. Entonces, toda esa idea, todo ese conocimiento viene de aquí, de mi padre.
The next stage, or the final stage of the product, is preparing it for shipping, but it has to age first. So some clients prefer to take it fresh and then they age it in the country of it being delivered to. Others want it to age between 1 to 3 or 4 months before the shipping process happens. So come on in and we'll take a quick look at it. So come on and take a look at this. This is the aging area where they take between 1 and 3 months or so for the shipping. So you can see this product is going to China as an example. So this is a finished product, all professionally wrapped and being ready for shipping. Other products are shipped for local markets or domestic markets, and you can see they're put in special packages.
En Estados Unidos tenemos Don Fausto.
Special packages like this and used domestically or internationally, but they're handmade here at the location. And you can see just the professionalism and the beauty of a cigar. You can this is a climate controlled room for humidity to make sure that the cigars age and they don't dry. So this is a meter to test the humidity, correct?
Yes.
And this, you can see exactly what the humidity is. So when you get a close-up of this, you can actually see, and it's monitored. So that's why this room is kept closed and secure, because this is the product, the money.
Yes.
It has to go to the client. So part of the different aging is that you have cigars that are fresh rolled, literally 1 or 3 years in terms of how they have been aged. But this product is even limited edition, so they age it an additional 3 years, and it has a different, sweeter aroma, a deeper aroma, and you can just smell it's just a huge difference. Yeah. So that's part of cigars. I mean, cigars are like a fine wine, a great woman, and a great cigar. And of course, all of it goes great with a glass of Dominican rum.
Bien.
Okay, another step. Once we get past the raw product and the sorting of the raw product, it comes over to this table for production. And both these ladies and the gentleman's over there, what they do is they sort by the size of the leaf, the color of the leaf, and the quality of the leaf to be ready to go to the production line. This leaf itself is a leaf, it's very smooth and very silky, like a bed sheet. And that's the wrapper on the cigar, not the inside. Over here, this is the raw product that is also sorted again by size, by color, and most importantly by aroma, because this is the inside, the burning of the inside of the product. So that's what they do here.